Hi, this is Valerie with At My Home, and today we're going to take a first look at the AeroGarden. I'm really excited to try this out. This is the Harvest version. It has 6 little holes for 6 different pods so that you can grow things. There's a light on top of here. It also includes a pump. You put water in here, put your seeds in, and then it grows. And it's got this little display on front, so it tells you what your plants need. So it comes with this little version, comes with a starter kit of herbs. These are gourmet herbs. There's 6 little pods in here. And this is what they look like. They're pretty neat. It basically has this seed pod is in here with a little bit of, looks like soil. And then you put them in here and away you go. They also give you these little domes of when your seeds are sprouting, and they give you some plant food, some Miracle-Gro. And these all take these take different times to sprout, but they are supposed to be guaranteed to germinate. So hopefully this will be foolproof, and we'll be having fresh herbs in our kitchen all winter long. So that's it. That is the AeroGarden Harvest, a 6-pod grower, and I'm looking forward to checking it out. Thank you.